cut shell cooler. No holes. Cooler full of water. 40 yards. Cut shell, 12 gauge, 1 1/8 ounce. As you can see, we got the cut line. Got about an 8/16 of an inch or so offset.
Y'all ready?
Yep.
He put his brain in it.
Yeah. Son of a bitch.
Cut shell.
So what is all this? So why do we have holes all over here?
Probably excess shot.
You think just when it hit, or do you think some of the wad came out when it was?
Maybe some of it comes out.
Maybe you think. Hey, wait a minute. Let me get you. Okay. Does it do audio too?
Yeah.
Okay, I see you. Now zoom cooler, okay? Okay, I'm zoomed up as far as I can go whenever you're ready. Oh,